Welcome back to the house that never slumber. We are making gingerbread glitter slime.
Yeah.
So, we are going to need clear slime, or clear glue. I already messed up horribly.
It's okay.
Clear glue, Stofflo, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of ginger, and gold glitter and water. So let's get started. First, I gotta put on aprons. Wait. Then we're filling up half the bottle with water. If we actually pour it in the water. Shake it up a bit. Then stir. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon.
You should be cautious with this recipe if you have a child who normally reacts to cinnamon. Our oldest daughter reacts to cinnamon, so if she eats anything with cinnamon, her mouth breaks out all around it and sometimes gets some blisters. So if you have a child with sensitivity or an allergy to cinnamon, you should probably proceed cautiously.
Now we're going to add a teaspoon of ginger. It's strong, I know. Here. We're going to supposed to stir it, by the way. Then stir together. Now I'm adding glitter.
The cinnamon smells better than the ginger. That's a lot.
Glitter. Now stir them in together. You can add as much glitter as you want.
The ginger. That's a lot.
Glitter.
I haven't eaten it yet.
Maybe some more. It smells good.
It smells strong. Glitter all over my bowl. Any more stuff though. Why are you putting it all on the table? You know what'd be really good? If we made an edible gingerbread slime.
That would.
I haven't seen a recipe for that.
I love gingerbread.
That one definitely would not have glitter in it.
You can get edible glitter.
Isn't that just called sprinkles?
Yeah.
No, there's actually edible glitter.
Yeah, there's a kind of edible glitter, but it's just smaller sized sprinkles.
Pretty much.
Pull that glitter out of the bowl so that it's not as hard to wash.
Leave as much glitter as you can in the bowl. No, Yogi.
I'll leave the whole slime in the bowl.
Okay, you got
I'm just gonna put it all over the wall of the bowl. I think it looks pretty.
Right? Yeah.
It smells good. It smells very Christmassy, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And it's very cold on my hands.
Do you think the spices make it colder, or was the glue just colder?
I think the glue was. I think it's just cold. I think my hands were very warm.
Nah, it's the water was cold.
No, the water was hot.
Eh.
It was warm.
Yeah.
I think I need more stuff though.
See you next time.
On the House of
The Hammer Slumbers.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.